Hello, Wise Nation. I see many medical practitioners online telling you to use pregnancy test strip to find out whether you have cancer, prostate cancer. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you why it happens and how to find out. It is possible under one condition, which I'm going to extremely elucidate in this video. So follow me. Now, a pregnancy test looks for HCG. HCG is human chorionic gonadotropin, and it is only found in women. It's a hormone. But here is the twist. Some testicular tumors and rare prostate cancers can also release the same HCG in women, the human chorionic gonadotropin in women. That is why some medical practitioners will tell you, go and use your urine and check. If it shows 2 lines, it means that you have cancer. But my question is this: what if you have a different kind of cancer? I don't know if you're getting me. So what if your own prostate cancer doesn't release HCG? So you will think you don't have. So my point here is very simple. Blood test and proper medical checkup is the best. So Wise Nation, this is not a proper way. This is not a reliable way to check for cancer. Meet a professional lab scientist. Okay, take care of yourself as much as you can. All right. It's me, your daily dose of truth for a healthier life. Thank you for watching this video, and please share.